Okay, so this is Friday morning, and I got a call from Kilo Man saying he ran out of gas, and so he's stuck. And there he is on camera. I'm gonna zoom in on him. There it is. Zooming in. Aw, there's Kilo Man. Somewhere right there. Yep. There's the car. There's Kilo Man standing right there. Right next to my maintenance. There's Kilo Man right there. See him? Right there? I'm on my maintenance filling up the gas. Now the employee shuttle is parked. Hey Daddy. He's filling up gas. He called around, see what time it is. 4:50. We'll just say 4:50. And there he is getting stuck. And this is probably going on YouTube or Facebook. Just because today is kind of a funny day for him. And there he is. He's gonna try and start the car. Zoom out a little bit. There you go. Doesn't seem like he's having any luck or anything. Looks like he's holding the keys. Yep. Looks like he's gonna ride with him to the gas station. Or no, maybe it's done. We'll see. Just have to wait and see what happens. If he pulls out, it's good. If not, See, my maintenance is signing his letter of agreement that in case we didn't get the job done, it is not gonna be our problem. We're just merely helping just to get him to the gas station. Signing the paper right now. Damn, this wind is strong. It's moving my cameras. Okay, come on, hurry up. Hurry up. I better call him up. Just to let him know to tip the guy. Hold on. Let him finish what he's writing. I'm gonna put the camera down. Put the camera down. Gotta make sure it doesn't fall. Looks like it's gonna fall. I'm calling him up. It's good now? Did you tip him? Did you tip him? Damn, he might not help you next time. You know his name? John Farrell. John Farrell. Farrell, F-E-R-R-E-L-L. Just dropping off to say it's for John Farrell. Depends. That's too much. I'd say that's too much for $10. $5 or below, good enough. I mean, he just saved your day, right? See? Mira. So, gotta move this. Let me show you. I am going to show you all the cameras. There you go. That's not all of them though. So,